Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 16 December 2021. Today's topic name is polymorphism. As you know, Java is a programming language. It is based upon object-oriented programming language. In Java programming, object-oriented programming is a methodology which are used in program. The object-oriented methodologies, such concepts are used in Java programming like class, object, abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and so on. Then we discuss about today's topic name is polymorphism. What is polymorphism? As you know, polymorphism is a Greek word. Polymorphism is a making with two words. First one is a poly and second one is a morphism. Poly means many and morphism means forms. Then polymorphism means many forms. Polymorphism is a used in inheritance in Java programming. Then we discuss polymorphism concept by example. Suppose you have present in classroom. You have present in classroom as a student. Then again you have present in market. That situation you know as customer. And again you are stay in your home. You also mean brother or sister or daughter or sons. That means you perform different forms in as a one person. This is called as polymorphism. The polymorphism are divided into main two parts. First one is a static polymorphism. Second one is a runtime polymorphism. First one is a compile time polymorphism. In Java programming language, compile time polymorphism is also known as static polymorphism or static binding. The compile time polymorphism is achieved used in method overloading, and that is also used by achieving the operator of overloading. But Java does not support operator overloading. That's all about the compile time polymorphism. Then second point is method overloading. In Java programming, method overloading is also known as used in second is a runtime polymorphism. In Java programming, Runtime polymorphism is also known as dynamic polymorphism. The dynamic polymorphism is used in method overriding. Then we discuss about what is method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading is a instance. Method overloading is a instead by a class. We can create in two methods. It is used in same method name and argument less. Then method overriding. Method overriding is a return type is a same return type. Method overriding are used in a runtime polymorphism or dynamic polymorphism. Then method overriding is also used in compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism. That's all about today's topic, polymorphism. Thank you.